To access the plumbing recovery system, we'll hit the ISO screen, then we'll go to the system maintenance screen. This will give you the two sections, full system recovery or boom and manifold recovery. Today we're going to use the full system recovery. Follow all the prompts on the screen. During a full product recovery, the prompt in the screen is going to ask you to open the recovery valve. Recovery valve is located here on the back of the boom section. Rotate 90 degrees to the right, and now you're ready to perform the full product recovery. Once we have everything met, hit the green check to advance. Follow the instructions on the screen, hit the green check. The system will count down as it recovers each section of the boom. During boom recovery, set engine speed to 1600 RPM to ensure fast air pressure recovery. Massey Ferguson's Liquid Logic boom recovery uses air pressure and gravity to follow the same path as the recirculation system to bring all product back into the product tank. Our boom plumbing holds roughly 40 gallons of liquid product, and by completing the boom recovery operation, you will remove nearly all product from the manifold and boom plumbing, leaving you with less than a gallon of total product left in the system. This process takes around 7.5 minutes to complete. And why is this important? Boom recovery eliminates the lengthy clean out. No more wasting time just spraying product on the ground. By being sustainable and reducing pollutants, we can dispose of products properly by bringing the product to the main tank, draining the product tank into a safe container for proper disposal. Once we've completed all of the task, it'll bring you back to the home screen, back this out to your run screen, and your system has now been completely recovered.